Hello and welcome back to another HAIRtorial. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure you click your bell. Stay tuned to see how I got my curls popping. Here are the products that will be used during this HAIRtorial. Make sure you check the description box for links. Let's begin with freshly shampooed hair. You want to begin by putting oil. This is Design Essentials Botanical Oil, and I'm following it up with Design Essentials Leave-In Conditioner, and it's for natural hair. I want to begin, I do need a haircut with combing the hair down. That's the shorter hair. And then the hair that is too short to curl and too short to finger, I'm beginning by placing the Doux foam wrap on it along with Eco Styling Gel, and I'm using the fingertips to create a circular motion to create a curl pattern. And now I'm beginning with the shorter hair. I want to part the hair and use the hair that's very short. It's too short to use to make the actual curls. So what I do here is I place the Doux foam wrap along with a little Eco Gel, and I finger curl it. And I create this pattern all the way around. This is the first layer right above the curls that you used your fingertips to form. And now here's the other side, and I'm actually going to speed through this side, but it's the same thing. You place the Doux foam wrap first, and then you place your Eco Styling Gel because that is what helped to create the finger curl. And you do that all the way around until it meets with the other side where you left off. And now anytime I'm doing my hair like this, whether I'm twisting or not, I begin in the back. Now this is the first layer of longer hair. I put the Doux foam wrap first, and I am using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa, I think. Make sure you check the description box. And I go over it, and that is what really make your hair curl pattern pop. See, I'm placing the Doux foam wrap. Make sure you comb it thoroughly from beginning to end, from root to the end. And then you place that Main Choice Tropical Moringa. This is the Glaze. It's the, I cannot think of it, so please check the description box. I'll make sure to put it here also. And make sure you clip all that hair out of the way. And the same as before, you put your foam wrap, the Doux foam wrap, and then you go over it with the Glaze from the Main Choice. And it will have your curls popping. I will show you again here. Part it off, section it off, clip the excess hair away, put your foam wrap, and you're placing your foam wrap all over the hair, and then you want to comb it through from beginning to end. Get all the kinks out, you combing your foam wrap through, and then you take your Glaze in your fingertips, rub it very well together, and then you place it on each strand of hair, and you are finger curling this hair out. Do you see? I am slowly moving toward the front, finger curling it out, putting that Glaze on every strand of hair. And I will show you again, this hair is longer and I want it to drop towards my face. I don't like wearing my hair back, so I'm combing it in a downward direction on my face. Foam wrap first, and now I'm following it up with the Tropical Moringa Glaze and finger curling the hair out. And I'm showing you once again in the back, this hair is longer. And once you see this, you will do this until you get to the very top of your hair. But make sure you're not combing any hair that you have already placed Glaze on. Now let's put that Glaze on there and finger curl that hair out. Okay, and now we're at the top, and I'm showing you how to close in the top without having that line there. You want to begin with your foam wrap, comb it through, and then the Glaze, and finger curl it out. See that? Same thing. And now pay attention here. Combing the foam wrap through, and now putting that Glaze on, finger curling it out, and look. See, I'm bringing it across so you don't see a line there. And here are your curls. You are ready for the dryer. These curls are popping. Do you see that? And now what I'm doing, because I am in need of a haircut, remember we're on quarantine and I haven't been to the barber. So I'm just placing that Murray's grease on it and kind of laying it down as much as I can. Just the very bottom. And y'all, my throat was parched. I'm ready for the dryer. All right, this hair is completely dry. And I'm just loosening those curls up. And now I am taking the end of my rat tail comb. You can use a pick here just to lift the roots of the hair. But I like to use the rat tail comb because I have a little bit more control over it. And I'm just doing that all the way around. And now those finger curls that we place, if you don't like the way they look, you can pull them apart and it'll just leave it a curly pattern. And now y'all know I told y'all my secret. My hair is very thin on the sides. But hey, I don't have to walk around like that. Just get a black liner. You don't use it straight forward. You use it on the side. Very light hand, very light touch. And bam! There are your sides. And here are your curls. This is my version of a wash and go. And you are ready, honey. I will see each of you in the next video. Adios. Make sure you are subscribed. Click your bell.